अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
13th Sha'ban al-Mu'azzam, Urus Mubarak of Sultan al-Wa'izin, Hazrat Allama Abdul Ahad Qadiri Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Maulana Abdul Ahad Qadiri Barakati Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was born in 1252 Hijri, corresponding to 1833 AC in Pilibhet, Uttar Pradesh, Hind. He received his education and training under the supervision of his father, Allama Wasi' Ahmad Muhaddith Surati, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Ala Hazrat, the Imam of the Ahl Sunnah, Shah Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi Rahmatur Rahman, honored him by accepting him as his disciple and deputed him as his spiritual successor. He graced his head with the turban of honor, that is, the Dastar-e-Fazilat. One of his distinctive features was his eloquence and art of good speech. Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi always praised and mentioned his name. Hazrat Maulana Abdul Ahad Qadiri Barakati Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi benefited the people through his teachings, lectures and propagation throughout his life. He satisfied the demand of knowledge made by a large number of people. Moreover, he awakened the Muslim nation from their sleep through his enthusiastic speeches. Imam of the Ahl Sunnah Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi bestowed upon him the title of Sultanul Wa'izin on account of his great contributions. Hazrat Maulana Abdul Ahad Qadiri Barakati Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 13th of Sha'ban al-Mu'azzam in 1352 Hijri, corresponding to 1933 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Ganj, Muradabad, District Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, Hind, and is a source of blessings for its visitors. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be showered upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability by virtue of his high spiritual status.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।